Morning guys, the trussers have come. We got a few in the other day while we had a bit of rain. We managed to get a couple on. A lot of you guys have been asking me about these, is it having first floor joists in? So yeah, it is. They're gonna go in there. Well, we've got a steel to put in there, and then another one right down the middle, and then the joists are gonna go in after. But we didn't want to do that because straight away because we didn't want to break through and make the hole because it's going to be a while before we get this roof finished, so we didn't want a big hole in house, so we're going to do that afterwards. So it's going to come onto this flat roof. You see the holes here? We're just cutting them out. There's a steel to go in there. Yeah, this is the we've had it all sheeted up. We just took all the sheet off and sweeping it. That window's got to go. So this is the cut out where the steel's going to go, straight down there. We're hoping we don't have to take this joist out. It's probably going to be right just 20mm above it, which will be good. But I've had to take the whole lot out to find the wall. So it's under this one, I think. So this is where we're going to build this up, so it'll sit on this inner wall there. We'll get rid of that wood, build it up, and it can go on there. And then down here, and then it'll sit on padstone at the bottom. And then across here, we've got this is the inner leaf of the old house under here. So that's all the block work up. So we've just got to build that up to height. That's pretty simple. So we'll get that done first, then we'll get the steel up. Number 2. In we go. So that's done, we've got a wall plate on there, so that's good and ready. Got a new toy over here. This is pretty cheap actually. I paid 260 that was for level, the staff and the tripod, which is not bad, is it? I mean, I was going to get the laser one, but they're like 600 quid brand new, so I thought this will do me. I'm only doing little jobs and stuff, so it should be pretty good. I've just been using it to level up that to get roof running through. So I've got this side set out, but I'm going to put a padstone in here. This roof bit comes out there where it hangs over. That's the hang over, and we're going to squeeze a padstone in there. That's the steel that we've got to get up. Just need to move this winch over and then probably put another pole in it so it makes it nice and strong. But yeah, thanks to you guys telling me to use pulleys. I did a bit of research and so I didn't know anything about them. Got hold of this, so I'm hoping this is going to do the job. This lifts 250k, so we should be good with that steel. We'll get that rigged up and we'll see if it lifts it up alright. So all your brickies with the sharp eye will notice that I've missed the damp out over the lintel. I've run out, so I didn't put it in, but I am going to put it in. I've cut out a groove for it. So I'll pick that up next time we go to the shop. Right, winch is set up. Let's see if we can get this steel up. pretty much got this steel in. I'm going to put a pad stone under that bit in the middle when this gets cut off. Because I haven't got any pad stone, so I've just put it on these for now. They're concrete bricks, like, so they're probably good enough. But I'm going to squeeze a pad stone in as well on this bit when this wall down there gets built up. So we're just looking this window out. It's got to go. It's right in the way. So it's the next day now. We got it. We had to cover it all up, so we're just chucking it down again. We put like some felt down there. That's where that window was. We put a board over it for now. Try and stop some watering. I mean, a bit of it is getting in where bloody steel bricks come up to the steel. So it's a bit of a pain, but we'll see what we can get done today. I think it's going to rain again this half light, but we'll see if we can get something done. Got trusses up, but it's chucking it down again. So this is all I've got done. Can't really film in all this rain. I'm just going to start nailing some braces on down there and some on inside, just to make sure. Might as well do it right from the start, and then I'm not trying to do it later on with risk of it falling in on me.
What
are you doing? I'm here! Okay, look, I moved my arm like it go to there. Straight. $57. Battery though. So we've got this side in. That's that beam there's a laminated beam. So that sits. Looks as though it's sitting on the roof, but there's a wall plate underneath there, and that runs along that wall. Look, we've just got all plastic on to just stop it from leaking. Then we'll just cut this off after. And then, so you got that, and then it sits in the steel. Can you see that? Sits in steel in that corner. I've got a couple more bolts to put in this that's bolted on, so then it carries on, so it ain't actually on the flat roof because it's bridged all the way around. And then we need another couple of dry days really to get all this side in here, and then them valleys sorted on that side. Other side's done. We've just got we've got other sides finished. That's ready to be felted and lattered. So the other side, look, that's it. It hips off that way. So we're not far off. We're not far off with these trusses. Only problem is, I'll just take you back over here again. When we ordered these trusses, the guy came out and measured it because I didn't want to measure it in case I got it wrong, and he's bloody messed up. So this is a truss that we got sent, lot, and we've had to chop it down the middle, and then can you see there, look, and then we're going to have to make this down here. So that means all triangles for this side are going to be wrong, and then same on this side, not going to match, so we might end up chopping them there, using it back and redo it front. But yeah, it's not worth moaning about, like, we just need to crack on and get it done. Hey guys, so that's it for this week's video. That was last week. This is today when I'm videoing now today. I'm going to put it on in about an hour, last week's video. But yeah, it was pretty bad week, like a bit of a washout that week. But we did get a fair bit done. But I think there's more talking in this video than actually showing work. But yeah, it's a bloody scorcher this week, so should get plenty filmed. I've been filming already, so I'll see you next week. See you later, guys.